allowing your own hair to grow freely to make your hair fuller. What does this mean? It means there's a way of leaving your hair alone, letting it grow freely, or even stimulating the growth while adding hair in between the existing hair. When you add hair in between the existing hair in an open way that gives you full access to your scalp, your hair grows freely at the same time while you make your hair instantly fuller using the microstrand technology. And now there's a microstrand technology series called Top Notch that enables you to order it online, any hair color, any hair texture, apply it yourself, and leave it on for up to a month. Sleep with the fuller hair, and swim with the fuller hair, and shampoo with the fuller hair. Full-time hair, do any activity. And the Top Notch series is only around $300. Check it out.